How to use Upwork to make money. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to give you a full tutorial that how you can use Upwork to make money. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your browser on your PC. You can use any browser. I'm going to use Chrome. This is a step-by-step tutorial on using Upwork to make money. So make sure you don't skip any step. So once you're on your browser, you have to search for Upwork and then you have to press enter. Now it's going to bring up this page for you, and here you have to click this first official Upwork link. Once you click this, it's going to bring up this page. Now you can sign up with a new account if you don't have one, but if you already have an account, you can always log in by clicking over here on login. If you don't have an account, click sign up, and then you have to choose an option if you're a client hiring for a project or if you're a freelancer looking for work. I'm going to choose this option and click apply as a freelancer. Now you can sign up to find work you love with your Google account, or you can continue with your Apple account. Then add your first name, your last name, your email address, your password, your country, and make sure you click check this box and then click create my account, and you'll have your account ready. If you already have an account, you can click login at this step as well. Now you can also continue with Google by clicking continue with Google and just choose your account and then log in. If you want to join as a client, click join as a client. And here you can sign up to hire talent. Just continue with your Google or connect your Apple account, or you can just create a new one like so and then click create my account. Now I already have an account, so I'm going to just log in into my account and come back. Once you log in into your account, you'll see an interface something like this. This is your home page. Here you can find jobs that you might like. You can click best matches to find the job that best matches your profile, or you can just click the most recent ones and see what are the ones that were uploaded just right now, like this was posted 56 seconds ago. And then you have saved jobs that you saved by clicking this heart over here. You can save a job and then you'll be having it over here in the save jobs section. You can join Freelancer Plus and find jobs faster and get personalized job alerts to find your best leads first. Now here you have all the jobs over here that you can apply for. So if you scroll up, you have this find work option over here, and in the drop down you get find work, save jobs, proposals and offers, and then you can reach more clients by your services, promote with ads or direct contracts. You can click the deliver work and see your active contracts, your contract history, or your hourly work diary. To manage finances, you have options like financial overview, your reports, billing and earning, transaction and invoices, certificate of earning, then you have payments like you can withdraw earnings, and then you have this taxes section that has tax forms and tax information. You can go to the messages section and unlock the messages over here that you had recently had with your clients. So this is your home page over here. So this is your home page where you can verify your identity to earn trust and show clients you're reliable. Click verify now. And then you can just follow up the procedure. It's going to bring you to this page, and here you can just verify. How it works, you have to appear on camera, you have to show them your government issued photo ID, you have to update your country information. You'll have two options for matching your profile country and ID country, and then you have to submit for identity review. And your IDV badge will be active for 3 years, and they'll remind you when it's time to renew. If you have any questions, you can click this option and they encrypt your data and will securely share it with their ID verification partner. You can see the privacy policy by clicking this option. Now, if you click this bell icon, you can see all the notifications over here. And then you have this chat with UMA, that's AI for Upwork. And if you click your profile icon over here, you get these options, like you can see your membership plan, your connects, your theme, your account settings, and you can log out over here. Now these connects are the main thing that you use in Upwork to make money. You should have enough connects to apply for jobs. Only with the connects you can make money. If you have connects, you can apply for jobs and get a job and then make money. So simply click buy connects over here. Once you click buy connect, you can just apply a promo code if you have, and you can see all the bill over here, and then click buy connects and you'll have connects now. And also you can get 50% off a Freelancer Plus for 1 month and receive 100 Connect monthly to reach clients. This is a limited time offer only. Now let's find some work. Click find work and then click find work in the drop down, and then you'll be able to access this page. On this page, click any job that you would like to apply for, and then it's going to bring up this page for you. On this page, you'll see the summary of the client that he has posted, that what they want on this job. To apply, you need to see all this and read all this. You can see about the client, and if the payment method is verified and the phone number is verified, only then apply for the job. You can see the place where he's from, you can see the jobs posted, and you should see what amount of money he has totally spent, because this is the most important thing. If he has already spent money in the past, he'll obviously spend it again. So you must see if the client is authentic or not. See the high rate and see how active he is. You can copy the job link and share it with your friends if you want someone else to apply for it on Upwork. Now you can see the fixed price over here, and the person is looking for a mix of experience and value. Now if you scroll down here, you have this activity on this job. The proposals are less than 5. That's a good thing. If the proposals are less than 5, you get more chances of getting hired. So see for jobs that have proposals less than 5 or up to 10, so that you can get interviewed. The person isn't interviewing anyone right now. Then you can see the client's history and see the reviews that person has been given, and here you can see he has been given 5 stars. If you want to save the job and apply for it later, click save job. So here you can see you can send a proposal for 11 connects, and the available connects are 59. So let's apply for it. Click apply now. If you want to open the job in a new window, click this option over here, and it's going to open this job in a new window. So let's click this apply now option. So once you click apply now, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you can apply for the job. Just choose how you want to be paid, by milestone or by project, and then you have to choose how many milestones do you want to include. Just add the details over here, and you'll see the total price of project and see how much you'll receive. Then choose how long will this project take. Then add a cover letter over here. Make sure the cover letter is good, because the client would read it, and only by this cover letter you'll be hired. Now add your attachments if you have any, and you can upload up to 10 files that are max 25 MB each. Now once done with all these options, you can rank your bid over here by choosing the first place in bid with 5 connects. That's extra 5 connects, and you'll get noticed first with a boost. That's optional. If you don't want to, you can skip it, and then click send for 11 connects once you're done with all these options. Then the client is going to reach you if he finds you a good fit for his project, and then you can just continue to chat with him on the messages section, and then you can just make an agreement on Upwork, and then you can start working and earning money. Now once you start earning money, you have to click this profile icon over here, and then you have to click account settings. On the account settings, you get many options like the billing and payment option. Here you add the billing methods. I haven't set up any method because this is the billing method that I would have to use to buy Connect and any monthly membership that I have, but I'm on the basic plan, and that is a free plan. I have the freelancer basic, but if you want to upgrade, you have to add a billing and payment method to buy Connects or adding a membership. This is my current billing cycle, and here's my Connect balance. You can view your Connect history over here by clicking this option. Then comes your contact info. Once you click it, you get all your contact info in this section, and you can close your account over here if you want to. Now you get this option over here for your profile. Make sure you have a good profile, your hourly rate, and here you can see your total earning. This is your portfolio, and if you want to promote with ads, you can use this section, and here you can see the details for your connects. You can add your video introduction as well. You can choose your hours per week, your languages, your verifications. Make sure your account is verified, and you have to add any licenses if you want, your education level, your project catalog, your skills, your work history. You can add all these things over here to your portfolio, and you can click see public view, where you can see how public views your profile. You can change your profile settings over here by clicking here, or you can just share your profile by clicking over here. Now let's go back to the settings again. And here you get your profile settings, your visibility, and your project preferences. You can upgrade these. You can choose your experience level, your categories, your specialized profiles, and you can add specialized profiles if you want. And then you can add linked accounts like GitHub, Stack Overflow, and here you can change your AI preference. And then you get this get paid option over here, that if you click this option, you'll see your available balance over here, and you can add withdrawal methods if you want to add more by clicking over here. I have added Payoneer over here. You can remove the existing one by clicking here. You can see your transaction history by clicking over here, and here you can see your withdrawal schedule. Now come to the My Teams option, and here you will see your teams, and then you have this connected services option. And then you have these few options where you can choose your password and security option, like you can turn on two-factor authentication, or you can change your password. And then you have this notification settings, where you can show notifications for all activity or for important one or nothing. And you can choose to edit all these options. So if you want to find a job specifically that you would like to work on, you can use this search bar and search for one. And that's how you use Upwork to make money. And this was a full tutorial for beginners. I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching.